Congratulations! You have been appointed to serve as Head of Regulatory Affairs for Toba Labs. Toba is a global healthcare products company that offers medical devices and branded generic pharmaceuticals with a specialization in the management of diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. Your role is vital to the successful development and commercialization of a portfolio of Toba products. Through your internal interactions with technical and commercial peers, you prepare products for the regulatory approval required for market entry. You are also responsible for managing the regulatory approval process with a goal of approval by regulators around the world. Finally, your responsibilities include managing the in-market impact of regulatory change. Each of your key roles helps Toba meet patient needs and grow market share. Your role is supported by a strong team of direct reports. Toba is structured as two divisions and brings to market a range of products designed for both hospital use and for consumers. The branded generics pharmaceutical division manufactures drugs for patient use. The medical devices division manufactures implants that are paired with equipment used by doctors to monitor patients. Despite early success, the company now faces challenges on several fronts. Technology is constantly being innovated and improved, which requires Toba to increase its research effort. This can be an issue if the approval is too slow. Being able to predict the approval process helps improve decision-making for scheduling production and market launch. Managing regulatory expectations and the quality of submission information is an ongoing effort. Unforeseen regulatory changes can interrupt the supply to market and cause lost sales. Toba has lost its competitive edge in the market. Your goal is to restore that competitive advantage by improving the navigation through the regulatory process. In your role as regulatory head, you will be managing two key products, one from each of the two divisions. One product is in the final stages of development. The other is stuck in the approval process. Both require your careful attention and guidance. OIC aid is indicated for the treatment of opioid-induced constipation in adults. OIC aid comes in tablet form. It is the first generic product submitted for approval after patent expiry of the branded version. A simple approval pathway submission was made for OIC aid some time ago, and quick approval was predicted. However, the approval process has been plagued by delays. UBD Cure is an implantable neuromodulation device to treat patients with urinary and bowel dysfunction. The device features an implantable pulse generator with a charging system and a user-friendly software application for mobile devices. UBD Cure was designed to be a new, novel device with no predicates and low risk. Over the next 3 rounds of simulation, your challenge is to move these two products through the approval pathways toward being approved and registered as market-ready. OIC aid is in the simple approval pathway. UBD Cure is ready for classification. Your decisions will determine whether it follows the simple approval pathway or the complex approval pathway. Regulatory Affairs has the opportunity to become a competitive advantage in the market by meeting patient needs without compromise and by influencing the shape of current and future regulatory policy. The winning team will meet or exceed the threshold for patient satisfaction, get approval for both products, and have the best predictability. This performance will provide the team with market share bonus points, the true sign of competitive advantage success. Now you're ready to begin. As you take the helm of Toba's Regulatory Affairs team and progress through the simulation, be sure to consider the impact of each decision you make, both in the short and long term, as well as the influence these decisions have on gaining competitive advantage. Good luck!